morning and welcome to week 2 of my 12 miles in 12 weeks challenge. Before we hit the trail today, I need to go a little bit more ultralight. Well, that should at least save me a few ounces. Let's go hit the trail. Well, it's a couple days later and my sister and I have come up here to Clayton, Georgia to do a bit of a waterfall hike. It has been raining these past few days, so hopefully there's some water in the waterfalls to be seen. It is raining off and on today, but we have lots of tree cover, so let's go have some fun. I don't think you can camp here, but nice shelter in case it starts dumping on us. The structure has been suspected of being the remains of an incinerating toilet.
Well, I don't want to go near that.
That does not look very toilet to me. These bridges are so slick. So slippy. So this is week 2 of my 12 miles in 12 weeks challenge, which means for this week's hike, I am hiking 2 miles. Now this trail I think is about 1.5 miles, but it does connect to the Bartram Trail. So I think we're going to go on that trail for a little bit and head up to see an additional waterfall and then possibly drive over to a third waterfall for the day, but we shall see how that road is looking. But after today's hike, we're going to go sit at a local coffee shop and do some reading. And I think the rain is supposed to start back up in about an hour or two, so we have a very tight window. The forces of nature shape the land. This is the Chautauqua River Fat Zone. Does anyone know if this is Chicken of the Woods? I feel like not, right? You see the waterfall through there? We gotta get down. No, you're not. Limbo challenge. Well, waterfall number 1 was beautiful, but the rain is starting to pick up, as you might be able to hear. So we would like to see if we can cross the road to get to waterfall number 2, but we might end up taking shelter if this picks up anymore. It's warm enough today. It is kind of cool. It's in the 70s, but it's warm enough to where right now the rain feels good. Onto the Bartram Trail. Eek! I did not remember how uphill this part of the hike is, but we're going up, up, up. You gotta pay the tax. Is there anything for sale in this 7-Eleven? Y'all, I know I'm out of shape, but that climb, good thing it got us both. That was uphill. This is super slippy. Butterfly in the sky, come here. No, this one is really pretty, especially with all the rain. We're halfway through our hike for today, so it is time to head back to the car. Well, I think a lot of it feels steep because the ground is wet right now and it's slippy. As we're making our way back down to the car, I have the question of the day for you all. Today's question is, if you could travel anywhere in the world, where would it be? And this is coming with some guidelines. Number one, your promise that you wouldn't get sick. For me, motion sickness, that's a huge thing. So your promise you wouldn't get sick, and your promise you have unlimited budget, unlimited funds. So do with that what you will. I will go first with my answer. My answer is Antarctica. And that's because I would love to take the boat down, but again, like I mentioned, I get motion sick. So that is not the most ideal situation for a girl like me. Plus it is so expensive unless you're working on the boat. I think it would be really awesome to go and see what the researchers and the scientists are up to down there and see some of the just local sites. I think it would be so cool to go to Antarctica. I do come with the understanding that that would have a ecological footprint. So again, with this stipulation, there's none of that to worry about. So where would you want to travel to? We should absolutely frolic. Go! That's a game to play. How deep do you think this pothole is? That's some crazy rootstock. We are just shy of 2 miles, but we are about back at the car, and the coffee shop we want to go to closes in an hour, and we want enough time to sit and enjoy and read our books. So we are going to call it point too early and head over to the coffee shop. So I'll bring you along for that. I'm going to go ahead and say goodbye to you all here though, because coffee shop, I don't want to be making too much noise. But I will see you all again very soon for another great day of hiking and for mile 3.